If you are a data engineer and looking for the change, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to discuss about the SQL interview question which has been asked into the previous interview attended by one of my subscriber. So he have shared this question. So in today we are going to discuss. So suppose I have a employee table, and in that we have to categorize the department based on the budget. So suppose any department which have the budget of higher, like which have giving the salary higher than 50,000, that will consider as a high budget department, and those who are giving the salary lower than 50,000, they will consider as a low budget department. So let's do how we will do that. So what we will do, first we will select the department from here. So we will select department ID. So we have department ID as of now over here. So we will select the department ID, or they will give department name. Based on that, you can segregate. Then what we have will do, we will do the sum of salary. So we will do the sum of salary as total salary. After that, what we have to do, we have to uh, categorize the department, right? So what we will do, case when sum of the salary, so we will take this sum of salary is greater than or equals to 50,000. So then it will consider as a high budget, else low. And we will give and as dpt cat. So we have to use the group by as well. So we will use the group by department ID. So let's see what we are getting in the result. So we can see, right? We can do the ordering, order by total salary, DESC. So we can see these are the departments, like these 9, 8, 10. These are three department which having the salary, aggregated salary more than 50,000. So they are considering as a high budget department, and else are below 50,000. So they are considered as a low department.